Hey everybody, still here. I guess it's more like a talk show at this point. I'm just the host. Finn is on an extended vacay. That's right. I took his seat. Hey, how do birds conduct science experiments? I thought I was supposed to tell the joke. You were, but you were late. I wasn't late. I was like a half hour early. Awkward. Okay, well, here, then you tell the joke. Fine. How do birds conduct science experiments? Hmm? I don't know. They use their beakers. Funny! Not really, but for the sake of the channel, it's hilarious. I'll take it. Merch in the comments. Wait, no, they're in the description. Did you really just mess that up? Yeah, I'm nervous and confused. I miss Finn. He didn't like you. Yeah, but I think he really did. He didn't. He really did. Oh, I'm just kidding. He loved you. Hey, yeah, that's great. Like and subscribe, everybody. He really didn't.